we need to think about the DNA, the brain and nervous system, the endocrine system, the immune system, and your microcirculation. Okay? So your DNA basically is coded genetic information, and that can be affected by different things. And so we really want to make sure that that is as healthy as possible. Your brain and nervous system, incredibly important. Endocrine system, immune system, microcirculation. Do you realize that there is 60,000 miles of blood vessels in your body? And about 30% of that, is about 18,000 miles, is your capillary beds. And the capillary beds are where each individual blood vessel or blood cell, like red blood cells, goes through at one time. Okay, so single file through this tube. And if you took 10 capillaries and you laid them side by side, they would be the thickness of a human hair. So they're very, very tiny. So basically 5% of your total volume of your blood is in your capillaries at one time. But the resistance to the movement of the blood is 30%. So 30% of all heart pumping is the resistance inside your capillary beds. So the microcirculation is really important. It gives you the nutrients there, and it also is very important because if your heart has any problems in terms of pumping or there's a stress on your heart, most of the stress is going to come from the capillary system. So, and that's where you have an artery, and then it goes down into smaller and smaller levels, and then it goes back up into the veins, and so the blood goes artery to the vein and back to the heart and around like so. So it's really an important structural system. We don't think about it very much because there's not many symptoms. 30% of all problems with the heart end up in a fatal heart attack. The first symptom would be a heart attack, that there's some problems with your heart health or your blood vascular system. So keeping this thing healthy is really important. So those are our 5 master control systems of the body.